present electrical sweeping car, which is designed in SolidWorks 2018 version, and this presentation runs through ideation and design of electrical sweeping car, which is used to pick up these ground-based and the model is assembled and rendered using PhotoView 360. This presentation runs through electrical sweeping car. So we use SolidWorks 2018 and rendering, assembly and rendering were done. So so the main idea behind to choose this topic is, as we know, as a developing country, we've been thriving in solid waste management, and in an era of electrical and automotive automation. So this would be this was one of the driving factors to choose this model, and also as a design perspective. It involves creation of large number of parts, and that would improve my solid modeling and surface modeling using the different features. So hence I selected this project. This is the idea. Here I tried to emulate one of the big player in this market, which is Duolovo. So this is their electrical vehicle, the recent vehicle. So I tried to emulate this through ideation and design. These are the ideation images. These are the dimensions mentioned in their website, but I haven't used this exact dimension, and I haven't used any sketch picture. I've just conceptualized and I've created my own dimensions. And so basically, the working model is like it has two vertical sweeping units and a vacuum roller, which is attached at the bottom of the front part. So these are used to pick up the ground waste, and it is done by mechanical suction unit here. And it will be dumped into the bin, and it can be later skipped for main garbage. So these are the parts that are designed, and it has chassis, electric unit, battery module, etc. And mainly it can be classified into 5 components based on the purpose. So this is chassis and wheel, electric unit, front cabin, sweeping unit, and rear cabin. So here in the presentation coming below, I'm just showing the images, and I'll explain it further in the SolidWorks model. So this is the wheel assembly, and this is the battery module. So the idea behind is just to create give more vehicle stability. It is designed like this, and this is the electric motor, and this is the inverter that is used to convert the DC power of the battery and supply to the AC induction motor. And this is the cabin, which has the frame, cabin structure, and the interior cabin design. And these are the sweeping unit. So it has two front arm sweeping and vacuum roller, and two rotating sweepers. And, this is the cabin and the hydraulic cylinder. So this is the technical spec. These are the spec that is used in the Duolovo's model, and I've tried to create my own dimensions, and I'll show the rendering. So this is the model done in SolidWorks. So basically, as I mentioned, there are 5 different components, and I will show you. So the main idea behind this, this is the cleaning unit, which has vacuum roller and two vertical sweeping arms. So this can be moved horizontally between both fixed between two sides, and it has this rotating sweeper that picks up the waste. So and this is the vacuum roller. So the main idea to design like this is to give maximum maneuverability to access different areas while doing the cleaning process, and whatever the waste that are being left in the middle will be picked up by this vacuum roller. And yeah, the front cabin is designed to give maximum viewpoint for the driver. So hence it has a very open front window. This is the rear cabin, that is a dump bin, and it has a mechanical suction unit at the top. So the waste which are picked up are carried through this pipe and will be dumped into the bin. And the air that is being filtered will be exhausted through this bins. And once the operation is complete, the driver can just uh, skip it to the bin, so that hydraulic cylinder is designed. Just a second. Yeah. So a hydraulic cylinder is designed to provide the upward thrust of this bin, and a door to just provide this operation. So basically, this model has uh, four moving parts, which is this bin, the hydraulic cylinder, and these two arms. So this is the motor which I mentioned. So basically these are like individual battery components. So it's like arranged in series and parallels. All these are individual units. So whenever it is required, it can be replaced. So that is the idea behind it. And also to give a good vehicle structure, I've made it flat because as we know, in creating electric vehicles, it will reduce drastic amount of parts, and the total weight of the vehicle will reduce. So that's why I just made it as horizontal. So and yeah, so this is the one. And based on this, after the assembly, I've done rendering. I've used different environments, like two different environments. I will show the picture. So this is one environment that I've done using rendering using basic camera settings. I've added two different cameras and use in PhotoView 360 to render these images. This is the working model. I've just shown how it will look like, and this the working model. So I've also added decals in the faces of the to give more realistic appearance. And the future scope, the project scope will be providing more tubing, and also this particular unit I've just made it a single part, because it would add more complexity in doing assembly and design, and so that's why I just made it a single unit. So in future this can be break into the individual component and can be assembled so that it can have various type of motion. So this arm can be tilted at any angle to pick up the waste. So that's it. And thank you.